My name's Banks. I used to wrestle at Wartburg College, and now I'm an MMA fighter at Rock Gym. My record, well, officially 2-0. I started doing MMA fighting basically because I enjoy physical sports and kind of just fell into it through Millboy connections, and I enjoyed it, so I stuck with it. It's an easy transition if you have a fighter's mentality, which, I mean, I guess I'm not a fighter, like, I don't go pick fights, but I feel like I'm tough enough that I can handle.
Yeah, I'm Corky Halverson. I'm the boxing coach at Gold's Gym. I see a lot of potential in Banks. I think he's going to go a long, long way. His wrestling's superior, and he picked up on his boxing and kicking skills. He's just a tremendous fighter. Work ethic is over a 10.
My name's Phil Pauls, and I'm becoming a fighter. If you're not here to be the best, then you're going to end up, doing nothing in the sport. So from day one, you got to believe that you can make it to UFC. So I plan on me and Karen to making the UFC and being champions at our own respective weight class someday.
Just driven, my conditioning. I like to go hard. I push through every situation, and I won't quit, won't give up. That makes me a good fighter.